Bollywood movies are very famous in India because many people in India only understand Hindi language. That's why Bollywood movies are famous in India. And Hollywood movies are not very famous in India because people don't know English. They are watching dubbing of Hollywood movies.
But Hollywood movies are good because we know the culture of other country, and we do the improve our English. And if people want to watch the movies in Hindi, so they dub
But
the movie
what
and
is
watch.
the culture of United States?
Hollywood
It's a
are
Western
good.
culture which the people don't like in India.
if people if people want to learn English, so they goes to Hollywood side because they use almost
But
English
India's people
language.
don't understand
they come
English language,
United
so
States.
Hindi movie is best for Indian. And
But English is
Bollywood movie, many songs and dance. So our Indian students like dance and songs. So Bollywood movie is good.
but Bollywood movie very much time taking, and Hollywood
But Indian
Hollywood
people,
are 1 hour 2 hour.
But Bollywood movies makes only feeling like love, comedy, horror. But Hollywood makes technological like Spider-Man, Harry Potter, magical movies. But in Bollywood always mixed with feelings like comedy. And if you watch the horror movie in India, so horror movies also mix comedy. But in Hollywood, Conjuring,
Indian
The Nun,
people like
they
comedy.
have not any
That's why
comedy.
Bollywood is making comedy.
Serious.
In foreign, people do not like do so much comedy. They like action, drama, and something. And Indian people only interested in comedy and this love stories. That's why Bollywood always making love stories and people going to watching movies.
I think Hollywood movie best because all words can watch Hollywood movies because region is English. If you don't
If
know
it is
English,
easy to
you
learn
can
English from
English by
Hollywood movies. So people why come to coaching for learning English?
Because they do not watch properly and don't concentrate that movie with seriously. And you said that Indians people like comedy. That's why India are not developed properly, because our other countries make technological and like mind sharp, but India making feeling like emotional. So
Development is only not
develop
depend
are
upon
not
movies. It depend upon leaders and political parties. Yes. But economy is depend
No.
upon investment and the jobs generated by government, not only movies.
people like watching the movies.
So if Bollywood create technology and some source of learning
But
movies, so they
but
can
Indian students not
earn
know
more money.
don't
Other
know
country.
how can Indian live, what is culture in India. So Hollywood movie, Bollywood movie, we know us ki how can live in Indian and our culture. I think Bollywood movie is good for Indian students because they learn this ki how can Indian live.
like
In
Titanic,
India, the
Harry
movies
Potter,
like
and
Vicky and Vidya
Spider-Man.
and OMG, what are they making? There is no sense of movie, but there are so much comedy and people like that movies. There is no knowledge coming from movie, but people like. That's why Bollywood making the movies.
But in India, the love movies are mostly mixed and like motivational movies if mixed. So no, many minimum people watch that movie. But if a movie makes like love, so many people go to theater and watch the movies.
Because
but like
Indian people are
technological,
lovebirds.
they do
That's
not
why
see
they are
because
going
they
to
always
theater and watching that movie. So that's why they are making. No, Hollywood is more than
Hollywood
love.
also
Here only
include
love.
love,
There
not
are
without
nothing more.
love.
Hollywood is different thing. Not only Conjuring and
Bollywood movies destroy the life of students, like dance and singing. So their concentration of study becomes away from their